guys? Awesome Favorite here. Today I'm going to unbox our new vacuum because our old one is too old, so we plan to buy a new one. It's from Bissel, Power Clean Dry Room Vacuum. Since 1876, and this is the America's first brand that they made. And it's one of the powerful vacuum ever.
And that's true. Let me.
So this is what's inside the vacuum. Oh my god, it's really big.
Really bit heavy.
And this can carry, you can vacuum this for 1 month.
And these are the instructions.
This is how big it is. And you can put all the dust and everything for 1 month because this can hold a lot of dust in 1 month. So that's all the parts. Now we're going to put them all together. Oh, that's so big. Oh my god, this is large. Oh my god, it's so big. So guys, this is how it looks like. Plug it in. Now we are fixing it, guys. There you go. No, you have to do this, right? Is to put this in first, because I read it in the manual. You should always unlike it. There. And now, this one I figured out. Should remain this size. And this is for to get when you're done cleaning, you can pull this. You can pull this, then you can get all the dust inside. There. And now I know how to put this on. This align the green part in. And you're ready to clean. And this is the Power Clean vacuum. So from Bissel. I hope you like the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on notifications. Bye. What's up, guys? What's up, guys? Awesome Favorite here.